welcome back. Welcome if you are new. My name is Yannick and welcome to my show. So based on the title, you know what's going on, so we're gonna jump straight into this video. So this was a random vlog. I actually didn't think I was going out today, but I am, so I'm gonna vlog today for you guys. So far today, when I woke up, I'm not gonna lie, I was drinking last night, but I didn't wake up with a hangover. My stomach was kind of like upset, but that's the most. I did laundry. I'm actually still doing laundry. My clothes are drying, but I'm gonna just get those when I come back. What else did I do? I went outside for like, I want to say 5 minutes, and I was just sitting outside, like had my feet in the grass doing some grounding work. If you're not really into that, you should get into it. It's really good. Like, it feels really good, especially like with the weather how it is now, like sitting in the sun and all that. It feels so good. And I was writing some of my book because I have not been writing my book for a while. I'm on chapter 8, so I was like working on some of that. And I was trying to get into like some artsy stuff, but I brought the wrong markers to color this shirt in that I got. But yeah, that's what I've done so far today. And then my friends used texting a group chat, so we're about to all meet up and have a little girls' day and chill. So I'm just gonna vlog and take y'all along. So I'm gonna come back when I'm out the shower and I'm like dressed. And I'm probably gonna do my hair, but we gonna see. So I'm dressed. My outfit's pretty simple, y'all. Having a pink crop top and some black leggings. I'm not gonna wear socks, but I'm gonna bring a pair of socks in case I wanna just have some socks on my feet. These are the scents and stuff for the day. So I'm going to go let my baby out because she wanna go outside. Wanna go outside? Yes. I'm gonna let her outside, and I'm gonna come back and do my hair real quick. It's 3:50. We're supposed to be going out around 4, so I'll be right back when my hair is done. Yeah, so my hair is done. I know I need a retwist bad, but we ignoring that, okay? My hair is styled, and that's what matters. Okay, so she's on her way to get our other friend first, and then they're gonna come get me last because where we're going is closer to where I am. I'm gonna do my lip combo real quick because she low-key a race car driver, so I'm gonna do my lips real quick and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all my full fit. So finish my lip combo. It's so cute. I'm gonna bring my gray sweater, no, my white sweater in case it gets chilly. It's nice out right now though, so we should be fine for a little bit. I think they're on their way. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. She just picked up our other friend. So now they're on their way to get me. I'm sweating, y'all, as always. Like, when am I not sweating? Like, honestly. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm the hills, the oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more than with my heart. Just give me everything so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Look at me, no one can tell me how can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to.
Alright guys, so for our mukbang, we got no pickles, extra onions, a cheeseburger, no pickle. We got 2 regular cheeseburgers. This is some fine dining. What you need? Buddy likes the extra fine here. You say yeah? Then I think that should all be serious.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it right here in the middle.
Do you want your Big Mac right now?
Yes, ma'am, please.
And then period.
No pickle. And what sauces we got?
Ranch and sweet and sour.
Yes. Pesto ranch, please. Thank you.
And then that's for you.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.